Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V12 isn't picking up at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a blockage in the system or a worn-out part. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage to your vacuum, resulting in more costly repairs down the line. To get started on fixing your Dyson V12, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and some replacement parts that can be easily sourced online or from your local store. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Carefully remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. Next, you will need to unscrew the main casing. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using your flathead screwdriver, being cautious not to damage any clips or connections. Now that you have access to the interior, locate the motor inlet. This is often where blockages occur. Inspect for any debris or dust buildup that may be obstructing airflow. If you find any, use your tweezers to carefully extract the debris. If the motor appears to be damaged or worn out, you will need to replace it. To do this, unscrew the motor from its housing, noting the type of screws used. There may be some wires connected, so gently disconnect them, being careful not to damage anything nearby. When installing the new motor, connect the wires first, ensuring they are secure. Then, screw the motor back into place, applying just enough force to secure it without over-tightening. Once everything is back in place, reattach the main casing, aligning it carefully and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all connections are tight and that there are no loose parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make it a habit to clean the dust canister regularly and check the filters every couple of months. This simple maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.